Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to griddle! Yay! Um, it's sandwich time. We have a hash brown patty, which is a good way to start, I think. Um, you could even add our last piece of bologna, although probably should have waited a few minutes because that tater cake's gonna take longer. Why'd you make me hurry up and start the bologna? What am I gonna do with you guys? Anyway, sandwich. That involves bread. We also have some Colby Jack cheese and egg. Sounds good, right? I think it sounds good. And now cue the air conditioner. Yeah, sorry, it's summertime. What can I say? La la la. It's not taking too long-ish. So I turn this side down to all the way low. This side's medium high-ish. Actually, yeah, that's still gonna need more time. So we may just have to set this sucker aside. Well, we have the cool corners. You know you have cool corners, right? Cool crap. Of course you do. Here in a minute. I want that to cook a little bit longer. So let's give it some time. Time is on my side. Yes, it is. Time is on my side. What do you think, Baja? You left the ball under the griddle, didn't you? I'm not reaching under the griddle. No. You shouldn't have put it under the griddle then. Silly puppy. Good. Right in here is the hottest zone. Right here's the hottest zone when they're both set to the same temperature. And this is why I'd love to have the 36 inches. I'd have the 4 heat zones and more control and all that kind of fun stuff. We don't, so we're not. So there. Can't complain about this. Yeah, that's still cold, man. Can't complain about any Blackstone because you're going to get your money's worth out of it, period. One day when I'm rich and famous, I'll have the air fry and maybe another Blackstone with the deep fry and another tabletop 17-inch, and I'll have them all. And then occasionally there are bicyclists coming through on our road, which is no private property. Oh well. It's not my property. And then, here comes the local constable. Drama, drama. What do we get? Oh, that's just not. Ooh, not. The local constable's just one of our neighbors that keeps an eye on the neighborhood, and we do appreciate it. Living out in the middle of nowhere. And normally there's nobody up here, but we've got a lot of construction going on. We have one house, some rich guy's producer or director, something, completely redoing the house. He's got amazing views. And another house was just sold recently, and nobody's lived there in a couple years. And when we had the Thomas fire come through, it burned up everything, the electric, the water, all that. And so a lot needs done there before it's livable. Incredible house, though. I think that's getting... Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Let's turn this one down. No, Baja, I'm not going under. Let's use ghee, since I don't have my mayonnaise out here. Anyway, aren't you glad you know all that about our neighborhood? It's really, as you can see from the pictures, awesome neighborhood. So, we got some ghee. Go, 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 go. We'll stick you, actually, spread the ghee on this piece. Actually, okay. Spread the ghee. Spread the ghee. Spread the ghee. Yeah, I know this is a messed up episode. You get what you pay for. So there. So, let's add one slice of Colby Jack. I say one slice. What do you say? Because we have so much going on. We don't want to overpower it. Turn this side off. There's plenty of heat. Okay. It's one slice of Colby Jack. Actually, let's throw on both slices of bread. Smooth the tater. Look at that. And the constable has sent them away. Go away, little bird. This is really gonna cook fast if I cook it on the hot side. So maybe, just maybe, I should do it over here on the cold side. No, it's not cold. It's less hot. So, egg. That's much better. Let's grab some paper towel. Let's add some secret sauce. You know what? I do not want exploding yolk when I bite into it. So we'll pop the yolk. And that's no yolk. I made a punny. Got some chives. Oh yeah, the bread is perfectly toasted at this very moment. So we'll put the bologna on the cheese. We'll move the egg ring. For Buck, this is a good egg ring. Okay. I misplaced. There we go. Now we got tater. And that should be long enough. We got egg. We got more egg. We can turn this off. La, 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 la. Let's go ahead and pick up all of our egg. We want it all on the sandwich. Right. Just trying to roll. Why are you trying to roll? Didn't cook you in a roll. Roll with it, baby. Roll with it, baby. Oh, look how perfectly toasted. Okay. We'll pick this up before it gets burnt. We'll put this here. Look at this, y'all. So this is my breaky sandwich. It's egg, it's potato, not potato cake, hash brown, egg, fried bologna, and Colby Jack cheese sandwich. Is that awesome or is that awesome? I say awesome. You say tomato, I say tomato. Let's call the whole thing off. Tomato would be good on this. It's also hot. Also slightly browned the bottom slice more than I wanted. Okay, that was very bready. Could have done with smaller or thinner slices of bread, but I love my Texas toast. But this is good. I didn't even get a bite of potato yet. Okay. Now that is really good. Just look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. That's delicious, y'all. I'm proud of myself. So proud. So, thanks for watching. I hope I haven't bored you. Like I said, you get what you pay for. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for coming. Come back again. And that's a wrap.